Welcome back. So now we're going to explore some of the 6 Bricks software that comes with this course. And it's some great stuff, okay? So just to give you an idea, measuring snakes with bricks. So here the child would estimate how many bricks long each snake is, okay? And then you could add in some maths as well. You could say, okay, what is the length of the blue snake with the light blue snake? And they're adding them up in their head. So you can add in as many bricks as you want. There we go, just like this. And then if you want to clear all, you can clear them all as well. So that's just a simple maths game. As you can see, there are loads of different resources as well. We've got brick addition, counting 1 to 10. Okay, so you could even go 1, 2, 3, plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here's the great thing as well. You can just press this pen up here and you can add in your own measurements. So for example, first of all, I'm going to close the pen. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the children in their class, in your class, would have to put their bricks down on 7 on their tables. Now, you can take that one step further, where you could go 1, 2, 3. But you could say that each of these red bricks has a value of 2. And each of these is just 1. So now what is your math sum? Well, you've got 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. And each child will have to place a brick on the correct answer. Just like that. What else do we have here? Well, we have letter sound bricks, which contain the 42 letter sound codes. Now, each of the children in your classroom will have this template on their desks. With all these resources with the software, you get a template as well that they can use on their desks. So you would say to your classroom, okay, boys and girls, I want you to put the orange brick down on the letter that makes a T sound. And then you would look around the class and at a glance, you can see who's getting the concept and who's struggling a little bit. And then you would show them exactly what their mat is supposed to look like. Now these mats are available to them and they can have them on their desks as well. So let's do one more. Next one we're going to do, boys and girls, is we're going to put a green brick down on the letter which makes a S sound. So after you've looked around, you would place it down here. So you can see there's a lot of possibilities with that one. So here we go. We're just going to click into brick addition table 7 to 12. Now this is a great one, okay? So first of all, the children in your class will already have their rockets and their 6 bricks on their desks. So you would give them time to answer these questions. Now you can see here we have 7A. This is because we're doing addition of the number 7. And there are 2 examples of that. Then we have 8A all the way up to 12. So let's just stick with 7A for the minute. And let's see what happens after we're correcting the work that the children are doing. So the first one, 2 plus 7 equals 9, which is dark blue, which means that the children in your class should have had blue as their first answer. 4 plus 7 equals 11, which is dark green. Here we go. 10 plus 7 equals 17, which is red. 8 plus 7 equals 15, which is light blue. So that's the next one. 12 plus 7 equals 19, which is yellow. Whoops. And finally, 6 plus 7 equals 13, which is orange. So once we filled in all our bricks, we have the option to launch. So let's see if we were correct. Yay, we did it, guys. We did it together. That's what teamwork is for. Now, let's just see what happens if we had gotten those questions wrong. Let's just fill in a few answers here. Okay, are we ready to launch? Let's see what happens. Now you also have the option of showing the answers here as well and showing the correct order that the bricks should be in. Let's see what else we've got here. Let's try tricky word bricks 2. Okay. So you can use this in an assessment capacity where you say the word and they need to put the correct brick on the correct word. For example, if I was to stand here and I was to say, before, I want you to put the green brick on the word before. You'd look around and make sure that everybody has their brick there. So you can see there are lots and lots of possibilities with this software to use 6 bricks in your classroom. And as it's provided by CPD, there are also teacher notes with each resource.